How to find watch later playlist on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can find the watch later playlist on YouTube. So let's go on with the process on how we can find. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to find the watch later videos, first of all, let's add a video to watch later. For example, this video right here. So let me just click on this video. You can find this option three dot beside it, and then you can also find the option called save to watch later. When you click on this option, it will be saved to watch later. In order to view the list, you can directly view the list, but if that pop-up disappears from your screen and you want to watch the later videos, so what you're going to do is simply head over to your profile at the bottom right corner, and you can find a playlist section here. You're just going to view all option, and you can easily find the watch later playlist here. Just go ahead and you may just click on the video that you want to watch from the playlist of the watch later. So therefore, just follow the steps that I just told you and you will be able to find your watch later playlist very easily on YouTube. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.